Hello students, welcome to Microcontroller Lab. Today we'll see how to display Hello World message using internal UART. So first we'll create a folder in a desktop or in any drive. So just I will give a file name as UART and open that Kill Microvision 4 software. So first go to project, click on new Microvision project, and in desktop we have created a folder. So there you give a file name and save. Here you have to select a processor, that is LPC2148. Select that processor and click on OK. For part B programs you have to create a startup file. So click on S. After that go to File and click on New, and here you have to type the program. After typing the program you have to save. So save in your folder with file name with an extension .c. Always you have to save a file with an extension .c. After saving the program, we have to add that file to the source group 1. So right click on source group 1, add existing files to group. So click on that UART C source file and click on add. After this close that window. So you can check here that file is added. After this, in project window on target, right click and click on options for target. Here you have to select device is LPC2148, and in target you have to select under code generation you have to select use microlith, and in output you have to select create hex file. In listing you have to click on see preprocessor listing, and in linker you have to click on use memory layout from target dialog. After selecting all these options you have to click on OK. After this once again you save and click on build target. So it's created the hex file and check the errors, 0 errors and 0 warnings. After this you have to minimize this and you have to click on flash magic. So here you have to select a device LPC2148 and COM port is COM1 and baud rate default 9600 and interface none ISP and oscillator 12 MHz. And step 2 you have to click on erase blocks used by hex file. And in step 3 you have to browse a file, that is hex file, where you have saved your file, that is in desktop UART.hex. You have to select that and you have to click on open. After this verify after programming. Click on start. After finished click on tools and terminal. So here you have to check communication port COM1 and baud rate 9600, and after that click on OK. So when you click on OK it will display Hello World in output terminal. So we are using while loop, it keeps on continuously display the message. Thank you.